Shri Guru Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. This is 10th standard state board, chapter 5, exercise 5.3, 7th sum. Find the equation of the line through the given points. Through the given pair of points. 2 points they have given. What is the equation of the line when the 2 points are given? See here, see the formula. Equation of the line. Equation of the line passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points. What are the points? You can take it as x1, y1, x1, y1 and x2, y2. x2, y2. x1, y1 and x2, y2 is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. You can substitute the value x1, y1, x2, y2. So y minus y1 is nothing but what? 2 by 3. Y minus y1 is 2 by 3 by y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 2. y1 is minus 2 by 3 equal to x minus x1. x1 is 2 by x2 minus x1. x2 is what? Minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So you can take it as 3 as the LCM. 3y minus 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 by minus 6 minus 2 by 3. Minus 6 minus 2 by 3 equal to x minus 2 by, you can take it as 2 as the LCM, minus 1 minus 4 by 2. Minus 1 minus 4 by 2. 3 get cancel. 3 get cancel. See here, 3y minus 2 by minus 8. 3y minus 2 by minus 8 equal to x minus 2 by minus 5 by 2. X minus 2 by minus 5 by 2, reciprocal that value, you can get the 3y minus 2 by minus 8 equal to 2 into x minus 2 by minus 5. Reciprocal this value minus 5 by 2. 2 into x minus 2 by minus 5. Yeah, cross multiplication. These two values cross multiplication. See here, for the cross multiplication, minus 5 into 3y minus 2 equal to, minus 5 into 3y minus 2 equal to minus 8 2s are 16, minus 16 into x minus 2, minus 8 2s are 16 into x minus 2, minus 15y plus 10, minus 15y plus 10 equal to minus 16x plus 32, minus 16x plus 32. So x is negative, so you can bring it into the left hand side. See here, 16x minus 32, 16x minus 32 minus 15y plus 10 equal to 0. So 16x minus 15y minus 32 plus 10 is what? Minus 22 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line passing through the 2 given points. See the 8th sum. A cat is located at a point minus 6, minus 4 in xy plane. A bottle of milk is kept at 5, 11. Okay, it lies in the, a cat is placed in the, located in the 3rd quadrant, but the milk is placed in the 1st quadrant. The cat wishes to consume the milk traveling through shortest possible distance. Find the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. See here, in a plane, xy plane, x-axis, y-axis origin minus 6 comma 4 minus 6 comma minus 4. A cat is located here. A cat is located in this place. Minus 6 comma minus 4. Okay, then a milk bottle is kept it in this first quadrant. See, 5 comma 11 B. Bottle, milk bottle. This is nothing but what? Milk bottle. Kept it in the first quadrant. This is a straight line. Straight line. This is a straight line. You should find out the equation of the line. A cat is, find the shortest possible distance, the traveling path. The traveling path, a cat needs to take this milk. Is it clear, children? This is a placed for cat and the bottle is located in the first quadrant. The line, equation of the line, this is the shortest distance. You should find out the shortest distance. The cat traveling to get the milk. Okay, so you know the formula. What is the equation of a straight line? A is equation of a straight line passing through two given points. Equation of the straight line passing through, equation of the straight line passing through two given points. Passing through two given points. What are the points? Through two given points. What are the points? x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. What is the formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So the point is minus 6 comma minus 4 and 5 comma 11. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So you can substitute y minus of minus 4, y1 by y2 is what? 11. 11 minus y1 value is what? Minus of minus 4. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1. x1 is minus 6. x1 value is minus 6 by x2 minus x1. 5 minus of minus 6. 5 minus of minus 6. So y plus 4 by 11 plus 4. Y plus 4 by 11 plus 4 equal to x plus 6 by 5 plus 6. X plus 6 by 5 plus 6. Y plus 4 by 15. Y plus 4 by 15 equal to x plus 6 by 11. Cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. 11 into y plus 4. 11 into y plus 4 equal to 15 into x plus 6. 15 into x plus 6. So 11y plus 44. 11y plus 44 equal to 15x. 15x plus 90. 15x plus 90. So x is positive. You can keep this side, that x value 15x plus 90 minus 11y minus 44 equal to 0. Minus 44 equal to 0. See, 15x minus 11y plus 90 minus 44 equal to 0. 15x minus 11y plus 46 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line, distance between the cat and the bottle. See, ninth sum, find the equation of a median and altitude of triangle ABC through A, where the vertices are A 6, 2, B minus 5, minus 1 and C 1, 9. First we can see median at A. Median at A. Median through A. Median through A. Median through A. Take the triangle A, B, C. A, B, C. A point is what? 6, 2 and B point is minus 5, minus 1 and C point is 1, 9. Draw the median. Can mark it as what? D. Can mark it as D. So that D. So first you should find out the value of D. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. You should find out the midpoint first. What is the value of B? D equal to, D point is what? B point is minus 5, minus 1. You can take it as B equal to, see, B point is minus 5, minus 1 and C point is 1, 9. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. D is nothing but a midpoint of BC. It's nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So D equal to minus 4 by 2. D equal to minus 4 by 2, 8 by 2. What is the midpoint value we are getting? D equal to minus 2, 4. D point is nothing but minus 2, 4. Equation of median AD. Equation of median AD. Equation of median AD. So median AD equal to, what is A point? A point is 6, 2 and D point is minus 2, 4. So you know the formula. What is the formula? Equation of the line passing through two given points. Y minus this, you can take it as x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the point? Equation of the line. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. So you substitute the formula y value, y1 value and y2 value here. So y minus, what is the value of y1? 2 by y2. y2 is 4 minus 2 equal to x minus x1 value is 6 by x2 is minus 2 minus 6. So y minus 2 by 2 equal to x minus 6 by minus 8. So 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So it gives, so do the cross multiplication. Y minus 2 by 1 equal to x minus 6 by minus 4. X minus 6 by minus 4. Do the cross multiplication. Minus 4 into y minus 2 equal to x minus 6 minus 4y plus 8 equal to x minus 6. X is positive. So x minus 6 plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 6 plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. What is the equation of the median AD? Equation of AD is x plus 4y x plus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. Equation of median is x plus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. Now we move on to see the equation of altitude. See the same thing, altitude through A, altitude through A. See the diagram, A, B, C, A, B, C. So this is a perpendicular altitude. Perpendicular altitude, you can take it as what? D. Okay, what is A point? 6, 2, minus 5, minus 1, and C value is what? 1, 9. First you should find out the perpendicular slope of BC. BC, slope of equation of slope of BC. Slope of BC, equation of the slope of the line passing through 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the point? B point is minus 5, minus 1. C point is 1, 9. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. M equal to, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M equal to y2 is 9 minus y1 minus of minus 1 by x2. x2 is 1 minus of minus 5. So it gives M equal to 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 by 1 plus 5. So M equal to 10 by 6. It gives 5 by 3. M equal to 5 by 3. So M equal to 5 by 3. Slope of altitude. Altitude through A only you should find out. So slope of altitude. Slope of altitude equal to minus 1 by M. It gives minus 1 by 5 by 3. Reciprocal that value. It gives minus 3 by 5. Now we should find out the equation of the altitude. Equation of altitude. Equation of altitude. Altitude passing through A. What is the point A? Passing through A. Equation of altitude passing through A. Passing through A. A point is 6, 2. A 6, 2. Passing through A 6, 2, and slope, and perpendicular slope is what? And perpendicular slope is minus 3 by 5. And slope, perpendicular slope minus 3 by 5. Perpendicular slope minus 3 by 5. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is nothing but a perpendicular slope minus 3 by 5. That is minus 1 by m value. So y minus y1. This is x1. This is y1. Y minus y1 is 2 equal to perpendicular slope minus 3 by 5 into x minus x1 value equal to 6. X minus x1 value equal to 6. So y minus 2 equal to minus 3 by 5 into x minus 6. 5 into y minus 2. 5 into y minus 2 equal to minus 3 into x minus 6. So 5y minus 10 equal to minus 3x plus 18. You can bring 5 inside. Minus 3x plus 18. So x is negative, so you can bring it into the left hand side. 5y minus 10 plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. equal to 0. So 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y minus 28 equal to 0. 3x plus 5y minus 28 equal to 0. This is the equation of the altitude through A. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children.